Welcome to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated to my latest notifications. Welcome all of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Today I'll be going to discuss with you another important static GK topic, and it will be, as you can see on your screen, joint military exercises. And as usual, it will be presented by me, the educator Shovik Maitra. Before going further, let's have a look at my achievement section. You can find it over here. And apart from this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find it below the subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos notifications. Now, since it's related to static GK, obviously it will be important for bank PO clerk, sector, railways and insurance guys also. If you want to get hold of the PDF of this particular video, you can join my Telegram channel Learn with Shovik, and after joining it, you will be getting all the PDFs, that is all the PDFs of the videos I have done till now. If you use my code, that is PLUSR4SVE, then you will be getting flat 10% off on any Unacademy Plus subscription courses, and if you want further discount, that too you can avail using Unacademy learning credits. Now let's move forward and come straight to today's topic, that is joint military exercises. First of all, this column I will discuss name of the exercise. Over here it will be conducted between which two countries, and next the purpose of this particular exercise. For exam perspective, at least for bank and SC, these two will be most important. This will not be that much important. These will be most important, the first two columns over here. The first exercise, Surya Kiran, it's held between India and Nepal. Nepal's capital is Kathmandu and Nepal's currency is Nepalese rupee. Purpose of this particular exercise, Surya Kiran, it mainly aims at training on jungle warfare, anti-terrorism activities and also disaster-related activities. Anti-terrorism day in this resort, I must say, it's celebrated on 21st of May, since on that day Rajiv Gandhi was martyred. Next one, let's talk about this exercise, that is Lamithya. It's held between India and Seychelles. This particular exercise focuses on counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operations. Next one, that is Shakti. This is held between these two countries, India and France. Okay. Now France's president, that is Emmanuel Macron, and Prime Minister is Edouard Philippe. Now this particular exercise will focus mainly on physical fitness, technical drills, techniques and procedures. Next one, that is WinWax. This particular joint military exercise is held between India and Vietnam. Vietnam's capital, I think you must know, is Hanoi and its currency is Dong. Soon I will come up with country capital currency while discussing the country's capital and currency. Obviously not of all the countries, but the countries which will be news and the countries which I think will be of special importance, that will be discussed in my next videos. Next one, that is I must speak out this important exercise, that is Ekuvarin. It takes place between India and Maldives. Maldivian currency Rufiya, I think you must be knowing. And the focus of this particular exercise is to acquaint both the armies with each other's operating procedures against backdrop of counter-insurgency, counter-terrorist operations. Next one, Ajay Warrior. It takes place between India and United Kingdom. And after Brexit, you must know Britain has come out of European Union. And the aim of this particular exercise is to build and promote bilateral relation and promote interoperability. Now let's come forward to IMBAX. This takes place between India and Myanmar. This particular exercise will assist in building strong bonds of friendship and cooperation. Myanmar's currency is ringgit and its capital is Kuala Lumpur. Coming to next one, let's speak about DANGS. This is actually India's particular exercise, not between any country. And name of this is DANGS, and it is 50 Parachute Brigade, and it takes place in Andaman Nicobar Islands. The main objective of the exercise is to practice and validate the procedures and deals of the command forces. This is India's internal military exercise. Now next, move forward to Sampriti. This takes place between India and our neighboring country, favorable neighboring country, friendly neighboring country, you can say Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka, currency Taka, and Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. This aims to enhance interoperability between the two nations and enrich from each other's experience. Then next come to another exercise quite familiar, you must be with this particular exercise, that is Probal Dostik. This takes place between India and Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan's capital previously was Astana, now it has been changed to Nur Sultan, and Kyrgyzstan's currency is tenge. Now this particular joint exercise is mainly aimed at enhancing military ties between these two particular countries, India and Kazakhstan army. Indro. This takes place between India and Russian armed forces. First ever this particular exercise, this takes place between India and Russian armed forces. Russia's capital is Moscow, its president is Vladimir Putin, and Russia's currency, you can leave it in the comment section, it's quite common. Now next one, that is, let's speak about Mitra Shakti, which takes place between India and Sri Lankan army. Okay, Sri Lanka's currency is rupee and its president and its currency is rupee, I already said. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo one, and one is something different one, that is Jayabandhapura Kotte. Okay, and its prime minister and president, you can leave it in the comment section, that you must know. This exercise is mainly based on counter-terrorist operations CTO and infantry company from both countries. Jodhavas, that takes place between United States of America and Indian Army. This is a quite popular exercise, joint military exercise, and this is mainly dedicated to specialized drills and procedures involved in counter-insurgency, counter-terrorist operations in urban environment. Now next come to Maitri. Just we have talked regarding Sampriti between India and Bangladesh, and now we talk about Maitri, but this is held between Indian Army and Thailand. Encountered in a counter-terrorist environment, so this is basic operation. Now next one, that is regarding nomadic element. This takes place between India and Mongolia. Mongolia's capital is Ulaanbaatar. Okay, now it demonstrates important aspects like convoy protection, room intervention drills. Bold Kurukshetra. This particular exercise is held between India and Singapore. Singapore's capital is Singapore City and currency is dollar. Now this particular exercise had intricate maneuvers and joint planning with training. Vajrapahar. Previously I have talked regarding Jodhavas between India and US Army, and another exercise is Vajrapahar. This also takes place between India and US. The aim of this particular joint military exercise is to promote military relations between the two countries by increasing interoperability and mutual exchange of tactics between special forces. Now coming to the last slide. Okay, I think I have covered the most important joint military exercises, but still if I miss out on any, you can leave it in the comment section. I will include it in my next videos. Al Naga 2. This takes place with Oman and Indian Army. Okay, Oman's capital is Muscat, currency is real. Now the aim of this joint military exercise is to acquaint both forces with each country's operating procedures, improve the interoperability in conducting joint operations in the backdrop of counter-insurgency. Now let's come to another important joint military exercise, that is Khanjar, which takes place in India and Kyrgyzstan. The exercise is focused in training of special military forces, special platoon, troop level tactics and techniques in mountainous terrain you can say over here. Hand in hand, popular joint military exercise. This actually is held between India and China. This exercise aims to build close relations between the armies of two countries. Okay. Now recently there is a standoff going between India and China in the LAC, this line of actual control in Ladakh area. I think most of you must be acquainted with this particular news. China's capital is Beijing, currency there are two types, yuan renminbi, and president is Xi Jinping. So coming to an end of this particular lesson, if you happen to like my lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends as much as possible, and if you got any particular query, you can leave it in the comment section and you can expect a reply.